Hello aspirants. To give a thrust to your preparation for Prelims 2024, which is going to be held on 26th May 2024, KSG has come out with a program called PT Destinaire. This program is meticulously designed and is very effective and tailor-made, keeping in mind the needs of the aspirants at this particular point of time. You have been working hard for your goals for the last 7, 8 or maybe 9 months, and this is the time to solidify your learning and to sharpen your skills. So KSG, with its illustrious panel of faculty members, has given you this opportunity to actually evaluate your understanding and to learn something new. You cannot take chances. This is the last time. Exactly 3 months and almost 3 weeks are left for your preparation when the exam is going to start. So we are going to help all the future officers, and we have a illustrious panel of faculty member. Very rich experience these faculty members have. So for science and tech we have Rabi Agrahari sir. For polity we have Raza sir and Ankit Sharma sir. For history Rashid Yasin sir. And for geography Panda sir is there. And for economy Himanshu sir. For CSAT there are 2 faculty members, Kapil Datta sir, who will teach you on math, will teach you maths and reasoning, and myself Shakeel Ahmad, and I will be teaching you reading comprehension section. So I wish you all the very best, and I hope that you will be immensely benefited by this program. Thank you.